The talk. You know what this means, don't you? Mireia says on our way home from school. My best friend is staring at me, like I just slapped the Pope. What? I ask, looking away, pretending this is just a routine conversation between amiguitas. She's going to die. No, she's not, I insist, stopping mid-stride to glare at her. Yes, people with cancer die, Lupita. She's having an operation, I inform Mireia, walking ahead of her. When, Mireia presses, catching up to me as soon as I round the corner. Soon. The word leaves my mouth quietly, tentatively, because I'm afraid to talk about it. That doesn't mean she's going to beat it, Mireia says. People with cancer usually die. As we stand at an intersection, her words rattle around in my head like an old dime, tumbling down an empty well, and I feel hollow inside. I press the heel of my shoe against the dirt, and I listen to the crunch of thin twigs and leaves breaking under the weight of my foot. The silence between us is unbearable. We can't be friends anymore, I tell her, blinking away my tears. I'm not trying to be mean, Lupita. I'm trying to prepare you, Mireia says. She's as ruthless as a rattlesnake, but she can't just open her big fat mouth and expect me to let her poison me. Mommy's never like you, I snapped. Now I know why.